Go to Google Chrome and search VMware Workstation Download. Click this link. At the bottom, you will see the Workstation 17 Pro for Windows. Click Download now and wait for it to finish. After downloading, click the file and start the setup. Click Next. Click the I accept the terms in the license agreement. Then Next. Next. Click Next. Next. Then Install. After that, just click Finish. Search the VMware Workstation Pro and click this. Wait for it to open and click I want to try VMware Workstation 17 for 30 days. Then click Continue. And now we have our installed VMware Workstation Pro. And that is all for our VMware installation tutorial.